Hello good people, I'm going to talk about fractions, algebra and balancing of equations. So let me bring in two examples. I'm going to start with the problem on the left. We have x over 6 plus 10 equals 21. I need to solve for the unknown. In order for x to stand on its own, at some stage I need to transpose the positive 10 and I need to transpose this 6 that I'm currently dividing by. I'm going to transpose in the reverse order of Bedemza. And so the first thing I'm going to do is transpose the positive 10 by subtracting it from both sides. Plus 10 minus 10 is 0, leaving me with x over 6 on the left-hand side. On the right, I will have 21 minus 10, which will give me 11. Now I need to transpose the 6. Currently I'm dividing by 6, so I'm going to multiply both sides by 6. Dividing x by 6 and then multiplying it by 6 will leave me with just the x. On the right hand side I will have 11 that is being multiplied by 6 and that will give me 66. What about the problem on the right? Now I have 50 over x minus 10 equals 15. Once more I'm going to transpose in the reverse order of Bedemza. Minus 10 plus 10 is 0, leaving me with 50 over x. And on the right, I will have 15 plus 10, which is 25. What is the next step? The thing to keep in mind is that we cannot solve for x as long as it's beneath the division line. This means that I will need to transpose it. I'm currently dividing by x, so to transpose a division, I need to multiply. This means that the next thing to do is to multiply both sides by x. 50 over x multiplied by x will leave me with 50. On the other side, I will have 25 multiplied by x, that is 25x. And now, to solve for x, I need to transpose the 25. I'm currently multiplying by 25, so to transpose it, I'm going to divide by 25. 50 divided by 25 is 2, and 25x divided by 25 will leave me with x. Let me do two more that are a bit harder. I know that these two look a bit scary, but I'm going to follow the same guidelines that I followed before. On the left, my unknown is above the line and below the line. Where do I start? Recall that for something to be effectively transposed, it needs to be involved in a single mathematical operation only. So if I analyze the situation, the 8 is involved in a subtraction, but also in a division. This x above the line is involved in a subtraction, but also in a division. So I cannot transpose those two. However, this x below the line is only involved in a division. So I can deal with that. I'm currently dividing by x, so to transpose it, I'm going to multiply by x. On the left-hand side, that will leave me with 8 minus x. And on the right-hand side, I will have 3x. Alright, this is now familiar territory. I need to get all of my unknowns on the same side. I always choose to transpose the lower value. So rather than transposing this 3x to the left, I'm going to transpose this negative 1x to the right. And I'm going to do that by addition. 8 will not be touched. Negative x plus x is 0, so it's gone. 3x plus 1x is 4x. And now the final step is to transpose the 4 by division. 8 divided by 4 is 2, and 4x divided by 4 is x. Let me take a look at the horror on the right. Before transposing, I'm going to deal with this bracket on the top. Above the line I have 3 multiplied by x, that is 3x, and then 3 multiplied by positive 2, that is positive 6. I haven't done anything to the 2x below the line, and I haven't done anything to the 2.5 on the right. I'm going to investigate my terms. Both the 3x and the 6 are involved in an addition and a division, so I cannot transpose them. The 2x is involved only in a division, a single mathematical operation. So this is the term that I'm going to transpose. I'm dividing by 2x, so to transpose it, I'm going to multiply by 2x. On the left, that will leave me with 3x plus 6, and on the right 2.5 multiplied by 2x is 5x. I'm going to combine my unknowns yet again. I will transpose the 3x to the right by subtracting it from both sides. 3x minus 3x is 0, it is gone, leaving me with the 6. And on the right hand side I will have 5x minus 3x, which will give me 2x. Finally, to transpose the 2, I'm going to divide both sides by 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3, and 2x divided by 2 is x. While dealing with fractions and algebra can be a little intimidating, keep in mind that we are following the same guidelines. Whatever happens on one side needs to happen on the other side. We transpose in the reverse order of Bedemza, and when we transpose, we use the inverse mathematical operation. If the unknown is beneath the division line, we cannot solve for it until we transpose it. That is all for now, and I will see you on the flip side.